I am such a huge card giver, and I think I just got the coolest package ever. So this was sent for my review. This has 50 cards. There's 10 envelope variations, and then we also have some stickers. But check this out. So I was having a hard time opening this, and I was like, I don't want to break the box. But then my husband figured it out, and look at this. Am I showing it the right way? Yes. Okay. So you have, it's all like in the different categories. So you have like sympathy, you have other, you have, what is this one? Congrats, well wishes, thank you. And then there is birthday. I don't think you can see that one. There is birthday up at the front. So I think that's really cool because obviously they give you cards, but then as you buy some cards, maybe you see a cute one, you buy it, and then you can just kind of plop it in here, which I think is fun. So let's just grab a couple and so let's take a look. So this is a birthday one. So birthday magic awaits. And then it says, may your day sparkle with joy and your year overflow with wonderful surprises. Enjoy every moment. So that's one of the things that I really love about them is that their cards are just really cute. It's not blank inside. So some people love the blank card. I don't. Sometimes I just have a hard time thinking of what to write, even though I really love giving out some cards. Let's see a well wishes card. So let's look at this fun orange one. So it says, get well soon. And then, oh, you've got the little cup on the front. I just love, I don't need to read it all. You can check that out. And then of course you've got plenty of space over here to write your own message. Let's check out some of these envelopes here. This one is definitely catching my eye. So super simple, just a little gold shimmer here on the bottom. Of course you have some fully I think maybe all of them have that gold shimmer. Let's see. Yeah, it's appearing like all of them have that fun gold shimmer, which I'm definitely a fan of. So you've got the variations there. There's also some stickers. Let's pull some of those ones out. So you've got stickers here, which of course a lot of people like to put a sticker when you're closing an envelope, or if you just want to pop a sticker inside here. So you've got a ton of those to choose from. So yeah, if you love to give cards, normally, I feel like the box comes with just happy birthday or get well, but I love the fact that this is just a little variety pack. I love the way that it is organized. And then obviously you can just keep reusing this box. This is really great.